looks like. I took off 4 layers of paint and 10 layers of grease between the paint that was painted over the grease, and the grease was painted again, and then they painted on top of the grease again, and then they cleaned it a little bit with like a with their tissue, their handkerchief, and then they painted over it again. So they were like literally four coats of black paint, black and 1 coat brown, over these injectors, and none of it was doing anything because there was so much grease on it, you didn't need paint. But I like to be able to see if there's a leak in the in the valve cover gasket, or I want to see rust. It's starting to rust because maybe there's a water leak or something like that. I want to see this stuff. I don't like surprises. So you can see what a good job I do. Now after it puddles,
raining.
Homana?
It's raining.
What's raining?
Ulan.
It's raining. Ah, okay. Thank you. Okay, it's raining, so we're done pretty much painting for today. Alright, let me get this finished. It's okay. Alright, one thing I have to do is get down there right away. Alright, thank you for telling me this.
Yeah.
So, let's put this here, put this over here. I'm going into this hole. Okay, very nice, just like that, honey.
Low battery.
Yeah, it's okay. Now you can see, I got the heavy coat in the bottom of the channel. That's all I care about. The sides were not rusty. Well, now I have a heavy coat in the bottom of the channel and everywhere else. So even if it rains, the water's never going to touch that metal. Oh boy. Okay, now I'm painting the channel. I'm going to paint the top of this, but I'm going to get the radiator in and paint the top, because I'm going to put sand on top of the radiator, because I walk on the radiator sometimes. I put my foot up on the radiator to fill it. So I want to have sand up here on the top of the oil cooler radiator and the regular radiator. I want sand on wherever I'm walking. It ain't pretty and it holds dust, but it's safe. And safety first. I am an A&P jet mechanic. Anybody with the clearance can go look that up. I like safety first. Alright. Okay, now I can see where the water is starting to take a little bit of an effect there. See how neat I did this. I'm very neat. I'm a neat painter. I'm a good painter. I'm a better dancer. And singing is my forte. So, in case anybody's ever wondering, they need a singer for anything here in the Philippines, I will sing for you.
Wedding song, if you want to request a wedding song.
Yeah, wedding songs. I do wedding songs. pizzas. I do Italian things. I don't know. I do a lot of. I'm a good singer. Just take my word for it, because I will. And if you need references, I come with my own references. That's right. There's nothing like having your own references. When you need them, you got them. Not like waiting to get somebody else for a reference. Oh, sitting on this metal, like I am sitting on the metal, this is a lot of fun. This is the part I like about working on equipment the best. When you don't have mats like I used to have in America, nice mats. You're down just sitting on pieces of steel with bolts sticking out of it. Now, if I was a different type of guy, I might like sitting on top of a boat. But I'm not that kind of guy.
2% left. The battery.
How much? 2%.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Michael Fazio. And